Yo, good morning, guys. It's AM. I'm back again with another video. I just want to show you something. I just want to show you a strategy that if you are a beginner and you are struggling to make money in this, so that you can be able to make something each and every single day. So, without any waste of time, thank you guys for liking, sharing the video because I can see the videos they are coming in numbers. Guys, for the last video, I thank you because I can see the video. It's reaching almost 400 views. Guys, thank you. Please subscribe, share, and comment. I will continue do more as well. Now, today I am going to speak about psychological levels. Psychological levels, guys, it's best when you know the market direction. If you can be able to spot where the market is going for that particular day, guys, you are going to make a lot of money. Right now, if your chart is like this, you just have to add this step line. This step line here, it brings a chart to look like this. So what do we have to do here? This is my current high of the moment. This is my current high of the moment. And then I just clone it. When I clone it, I want where the market touched and reversed. You see, touch, reverse. It's a valid major zone. This gray line represent major zone. I repeat, the gray line represent major zone. And then right now, um, as you can see, I cannot just mark the whole thing here. I just want to be very quick so that I can be able to explain furthermore. You see, if it's like this now, let me just put another one at the top, at the bottom, I mean, right here. You see touch reverse, touch reverse. These are the major zones because we have drawn them on a high time frame, which is daily. Meaning to break this gray line, whether it's up or down, the moment it breaks, just wait for it to come and test, and then you kill it. Now we go straight to uh, our candlestick chart so that we can be able to spot it. Look, very nice, very nice. And now you can clearly even see how we're able to catch the rejections. Now we go straight to 1 hour time frame. But before that, let's go back to 4 hour. Why the 4 hour? We just have to make sure that our major zone it is on a correct place like this. You see, even this one, it's correct. Um, I want it right here. Yeah, on a 4 hour, I'm just also placing it where it's supposed to be. Daily and 4 hour, I take it as the same thing to me. Right now, I go straight to 1 hour time frame. Why I go to the 1 hour time frame? I have to draw my what you call the minor zone since these gray lines are the major zones. I hope it makes sense. And in between this major zone, we gotta have two lines. We don't need anything above two. We need the two lines only. What am I talking about? I'm talking about line like this one. Touch reverse, touch reverse. This is a valid um let me see. This is a valid uh minor because it's inside the major. So we call them minor zones. So right now I also gonna place this one here because of touch reverse. Let me just make sure that this chart at least it's a little bit bigger so that we can be able to do the correct things. You see, there is multiple touches here, and as well as right here. You see, touch reverse, touch. So right now we can also go to this side. What do we have this side? What do we have this side? You don't force a line. Don't force the measure. You can have one. It's fine, but not anything above two. So, without any further ado, guys, let me be very quick so that I can be able to explain more or furthermore. Right now, since we see it like this, we can just go back to the candlesticks. Guys, look, this is beautiful. This is 100% beautiful. And this is going to be a weekly. This is just a weekly update as I'm speaking to you. Now, because we can see it, let's go straight to 15 minutes time frame. Guys, I love this. If you look it in this way, now we are going to put what we call sessions on break, or in other words, it's period separator, which it gives us Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday until Friday. That is why we call it session on breaks. Now we are going to put session on chart like London session, New York, and Tokyo. Here in the input, you see London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. But we don't need Tokyo. We don't need London. We need only New York. Why? Because we are going to trade Nasdaq 100, and it's very quick in New York time because it's it time or rush hour. So now, if I place it like this, now I'm done. Right now, I'm done. I want you to look like what's happening here. The moment it comes like this, yesterday I saw this move. The moment it breaks this measure, you see, it was 9:30, and I was like, okay, I just want to have to wait for it to come back here so that I can be able to send the signal to my student. And I wasn't on the chart. You know what I was expecting? I was expecting this move to come and hit here, to bump here, so that it can come here. But unfortunately, it didn't happen in that way. It just break and test same time. Look, guys, look this move. Look at this move. Just put your stop loss at least a little bit there. You place, you take profit here. You don't have to be greedy. When you take your profit here, you wait. Like me, I don't put stop loss. Don't copy me. You see, look at here, guys. That's a very big move, guys. That's a very big move in Nasdaq. Look, the moment it touched right here, it just play there, and then until it come and hit here. The moment when it hit here with this candlestick here, you know that, you know what, you just have to wait and see. And then when you wait and see, and when you look that it has broken, look at what time was it. It breaks the minor zone 14:55 because it's 5 minutes. Let's go straight to 15 minute. Look here, it just hit here. The moment when it hits here, I just hold my trade. This is how you kill the market, guys. And when you hold your trade, no matter what happens, you know that it's gonna come here. 130 pips. Look, the candlestick that breaks this minor zone, full engulfment. You hold, it comes here. The moment when it came, look here, now it's giving rejection to show that, you know what, we want to drop, and it's around 4:45. You wait for it to break, yes, and then you take your trade. Okay, now let's go to Thursday. I want you to see, as long as you know the market direction, guys, this strategy is the best. This strategy is the best. Look, when it was playing here, play here, you know, oh, okay, today now it's just playing here, and then it's on and now it's 9 o'clock. You just take your trade from here. Don't play. Don't play with this thing. Just take your profit here. 50 pips or 50 points, it's too much when it comes to Nasdaq. You see, it came and hit, but look what happened around. This is 2:30. On 2:30, it gives you rejection here. You know very well that, you know what, we are going to have a short sell. Why? Because now it's gonna go back to down so that it can be able to uh use this candlestick here for the rejection, and then you place your stop loss right there, and you take profit here. How many pips? 77 pips. You cannot miss these guys. This strategy is, look at this one. It was just playing. The moment when it breaks here, you wait for it to come back and test here. Look here. The moment when the session opened, it was almost 2:30. The session was open. Uh, you just, guys, this strategy is the best when you know the market direction, and then you just put your stop loss a little bit there. Come, you take your profit. You don't play. You see 74 pips. That's too much. That's too much, guys. Look at it. It was playing. And then when it plays from, you know, oh, okay, now it's coming to yesterday back zone, which is this lower low. Look what happened here. It came, it a break in, and then it failed. The moment when, look at there, this is a 3:30 candlestick. The moment it does this, you just have to wait. When it came here, you can wait, or here you can enter from here because it just gives you the direction already. Look at this hammer candlestick, this one here. I'm talking about this candlestick here. It shows that the market, it's failing to break the. You just put your stop loss here. Not always, guys, that you're gonna win. How much is this? 117 pips. And this is Tuesday. I want to go straight to Monday. On Monday, same thing happened. You don't have to play with this thing. You just have to relax. Here it was around 5 a.m. in the morning. If you are like you are obsessed with the chart, you can just the moment when it breaks here, you just take your trade here, put your stop loss here, and then you hold until here 73 pips, and then you wait for the session which is from here to here. When the session open, now you are out because you have hit your take profit. Now you just want to see what's happening, and then you wait. The moment it breaks here, you know that you know what today we are on an uptrend. Why? Because it break with this short. Now you are waiting for this move to come and test here. When it comes and test here, you wait for the rejection. Look here, this is the low of the day. It came back to the very same low. Now you're going to take your trade. Take your trade from here until here, and then you just place your TP here. Look, you risk low to make more. If you take your trade from the major, you take your profit from the minor. If you take your trade from the minor, you take your profit to the next minor. If it breaks here and come here, you're going to take your profit from the major. That's how this strategy is powerful, guys. Each and every single day. In fact, I call this setup set and forget because it's a break and test, break and test, break. Look here, break, test, it went up. I just want to show you what I'm saying. Break, it breaks also here. It came back, it failed. The moment when it was in the morning, look here. It breaks here around 8 in the morning. Break, test, you go up with it. You see? Break, test, you go up with it. Break, test, unfortunately, it came at a very, very quick here. Yeah, test and came back here. Quick, quick, like nobody's business. Just want to show you. You see, yet fail. This is the measure. Look, one, two, three, triple touch to show you that you know what this is a strong zone. So you know very well that you know what today we are selling because it's failing to break here. But if it has broken here, we will know that you know what today we are selling. But because it didn't break, we are selling. But if it has broken, we will know that you know what we are buying. This strategy, guys, set and forget. Look at here. Break, test, it goes up. Break, test, down. You see, break, it came and range until, but it went up. You see, break, test, down. You see, break, it didn't test, but it went up. It came and tested and shoot back. Break, test, up. Guys, thank you so much. If you found this helpful, comment and say something. I will do something for you guys as you support me. If you want signals, you know my number 071 4082 027. Thank you so much, guys.